heard all the things and I had it in my head, but then once you get to that point where you're like, okay, now I got to start, there's no like path. So you have your course, like you built your affiliate business. At what point did you state, I need to build my own stuff? Was it like in conjunction with as bonuses? Was it like, why did you start building your own stuff?
My own stuff as in my own list, or what do you mean, like my own course? Or
yeah, like your own course where you actually started to get value.
Yeah, I mean, you start to get this, there's always in the back of your head as an affiliate, like, what could go wrong here, And as an affiliate, anything can go wrong. Like, if your traffic's coming from YouTube can shut you down. If your affiliate, your number one program is program A or ClickFunnels or whatever, they could shut you down, or they could sell the company, or like there's a million things that can happen, right? Like, the only thing you really own is that list, and that list is only going to really respond positively to you if you've built out a lot more than just a list, right? If you've built out some kind of brand and like they know you, and like you've personalized yourself or your business with these people to where they're more than a list to you, and you're more than just some guy emailing them every once in a while to them, right? Like you are a brand that they follow and believe in. So at what point did I decide that? I couldn't really say. Like, it's all been just very like transitional, like probably the way it is with everybody. Like, you do this, you see some success, and then you kind of just look around like, well, what do I do? Like, what's next? And somewhere along the way, I was like, well, what's next is I got to stop relying on other people and try this myself, And so, you start to see a little success, and it really, if your road just kind of starts to happen, I think, as an entrepreneur, right? Like, it kind of builds itself one brick at a time in front of you as you're growing. You see a little success, and that kind of opens up some new doors, and you just follow it and take the best route as you go. And that's kind of how it's been for me.
So you don't see the whole path. You're just taking steps and being like, okay, where's the next door? And you're just going through all the open doors that open up that are best for you. You're not like, there's not some main master plan. It's just like, just take action and it works out.
Yeah. And so I think there always is some kind of master plan in my head, but that's just never, but then it just changes every week. So in my head, there's always something like, like 2 years from now, I'm going to be doing this. But like, even like 18 months from now, the idea of like being a course creator was never once in my head. I was like, I don't want to create courses. I want to sell affiliate products, And now here I am, like half of what I do is all based around creating courses and selling courses and things like that. And same thing with affiliate marketing. I was like, I want to be in the stock market. That's real passive income. And then I find affiliate marketing, it starts to work. Like, well, obviously go all in on affiliate. Like, you lost $3,000 in the stock market. You made 10 in affiliate marketing. Who cares what you want? Like, take that road,
Right. Yep. But you had to test all those roads to figure it out.